Hi everyone, today is Mercy Chinwo's blessed birthday, my wife to be precise. So she's in the room right now, and the biggest task is getting her out because I want to go present her a gift. My wife is very discerning. She's been suspecting a couple of things, so I try to be as calm as possible. So guys, enjoy this adventure. Let me go get her.
What's going on now?
We are vlogging, baby.
I thought you said it's just this thing. So why is Freke? Why is Freke recording
I'm
us?
just gathering content for your YouTube channel.
Baby, welcome. Look right in front of you.
Why are you pushing me?
No!
Why are you pushing me too?
No!
Let's see why she's shouting. Let me take time, baby. Yes, fine. So let's just keep this, baby.